Hi guys, we just got here. We're in building 1 at portorleans, room 1326. So that's the 3rd floor. We do have a room with a nice king size bed. Let me introduce you to Eva, my wife.
Hey guys.
Disney's Port Orleans includes 2 resorts, French Quarter and Riverside. Disney has the value resorts, moderate resorts, and deluxe resorts. French Quarter and Riverside are both moderate price resorts. The room prices start at $200 and go all the way up to $450 during the peak season. Rooms with king-size beds are only corner rooms, and that's the one we booked. Check-in starts at 3 p.m. and you check out the next day by 11 a.m. You also get free transportation by bus or riverboat, and you get free parking. Let's do a bed check, babe. Oh my God, look at this bed, guys. Oh my God. This is awesome. Whoa! Oh, this is awesome. I love it already. It's a nice corner room, so we get a view of the boats that come and go from Disney Springs right here in the corner window. Look at that, we have 2 windows, one this way. We have a nice dining area here. There's the big AC. We have a nice fan, we have nice lighting, a great chair. We have Mickey Mouse, towels and all that good stuff. The bathroom area is over here. We do have a bench and of course the chest of drawers with the little fridge in there and a giant TV. By the way, housekeeping services are back at all Walt Disney World resorts. You can pay with your MagicBand everywhere in Walt Disney World. All you have to do is download the app, My Disney Experience, and set up a PIN number, and you're good to go. I want to take you around the resort. I want you to see the grounds, check out all the beautiful streets, the tiny little sidewalks, the lampposts, and even the fountains and some of the courtyards they have here. They're just so beautiful. The setting is amazing here at French Quarter. I think you will love it. The Louisiana Port Orleans vibe here is just amazing, and you do get so much shade from these beautiful trees. When you book your room, you can choose from standard view, garden view, or pool view. The fire pit is located right here between buildings 5 and 6. This is where you'll come out for Cajun Campfire nights. There's only one bus stop, and it's right outside the main building. You get free transportation. You can grab a bus and go to any of the Disney parks or to Disney Springs. Way in the back of the resort, you can find the Sassagula River, and that's where the docks are with all the boats. You can hop on one of the river boats and head to either Disney Springs or next door to Port Orleans Riverside Resort. Riverside is where you can find Boatwright's, which is the only sit-down restaurant in this area. Some of the best restaurants are located at Disney Springs. South Quarter Games Arcade has easy access from the outside. It's right next to the gift shop, or from the lobby. They have a very large assortment of games, including air hockey. Wow, so many cool games here. Oh my God. Some really cool vintage ones. The Cat shirts, the Beignets all day. Port Orleans Resort shirts. Across from the gift shop and the front desk, you can find Sassagula Floatworks food court. So come and eat some pasta, some meats and potatoes, some salad, cheeseburgers, chicken strips, sandwiches, beverages, cookies, ice cream, cheesecake. They have it all. Most importantly, that's where you can also buy some beignets. It's right next door at the cafe. Wow, that lunch was so good. Now we're gonna have some dessert. They have so many good snacks there, so many to choose from. We're gonna have a Mickey Mouse cheesecake. How was the dessert, baby?
It was actually pretty good. It was mild, really good. It was good.
This park is just incredible. I love it. It's like a nice little field where you can run. I remember our daughter used to say, "Let me run here like a wild animal." Even though it's warm, we're having a pretty nice day. There's a breeze and it's not too hot right now. The pool was great. Now we're gonna take a ride on the Riverboat to Disney Springs. All we need to do is take a shower, get into our PJs, and hop in bed. We got some beignets. I put butter on them and then I dip them in the chocolate sauce. It's our second day and we're heading to the pool again. This is the way to the Cajun Campfire. That's the way to Riverside. Just follow this walkway. It's really tasty. Chicken is cooked perfectly. I love the cheese on it. The sauce is really tasty. I love it. It's really good. There's always shopping to do.
So everybody, this is a tree. Every time I say the word sea.
At the Riverside Resort, they do have boat rentals. They do have the boat transportation to Disney Springs and portorleans, French Quarter, and they also have the bicycle rentals. You have the four-wheelers and you have the regular bicycles. The place is called Riverside Levee Bicycles for Hire. It's really nice to walk at night around Port Orleans. The area is just beautiful, really nicely lit up. I think you will enjoy it. It's nice.